Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Seda Sürel. Merhaba, ben Seda Sürel. Welcome to another Turkish whiteboard lessons. In this lesson, you will learn how to make basic comparisons in Turkish. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Okay, let's look at our vocabulary first. Küçük, küçük, small. Büyük, büyük, big. Kalabalık, kalabalık. Crowded. Kadim, kadim. Ancient. Yağmurlu, yağmurlu. Rainy. Soğuk, soğuk. Cold. Küçük, büyük, kalabalık, kadim, yağmurlu, soğuk. Okay, these are our vocabulary. And we have our Turkish city names here. Let's go over them. İstanbul, Ankara, İzmir, Van, Artvin, Urfa. İstanbul, Ankara, İzmir, Van, Artvin, Urfa. Okay? Okay, now let's go over the dialogue. When I read the dialogue, I want you to take notice on, adjectives and what comes before the adjectives. İstanbul kalabalık mı? İstanbul kalabalık mı? Is Istanbul crowded? İstanbul Artvin'den daha kalabalık. İstanbul Artvin'den daha kalabalık. Istanbul is more crowded than Artvin. Okay, now let's check our other two examples here. And again, I want you to find the adjectives and notice what comes before them. Van, İstanbul'dan daha soğuk. Van, İstanbul'dan daha soğuk. Van is colder than Istanbul. Urfa, Ankara'dan daha kadim. Urfa, Ankara'dan daha kadim. Urfa is more ancient than Ankara. Okay, now let's check our sentence pattern. It is here. This is the Turkish sentence pattern and this is the English one. First, place 1. I want you to see the dialogue as well. 1, place 1. Place 1, 1. Place 2, Istanbul. Then we have our suffixes here. Dan, dan, ten, tam. You may ask why we have 4 I'm not going to go into that rule right now, but because of the vowel harmony rules, these vowels change and the consonant change. So you need to pick the right suffix for the right place name. After you choose one, you will use daha, and then you will put the adjective there. Okay? Place 1, place 2, then, dan, ten, tan. One of these, daha, an adjective. And you already know the English word place is more adjective than place 2. Like Urfa is more ancient than Ankara. But let's look at the Turkish version. Van, İstanbul'dan daha soğuk adjective. Or İstanbul Artvin'den, here you see then, daha kalabalık. Den daha is more than, kalabalık is our adjective. And let's see the other example. Urfa, Ankara'dan, again here you see dan, daha kadim. And this is our adjective. Okay, fun fact that Turkish people, although, we are proud of Turkey, everybody is coming from some city, and their homeland, home cities such as these are like really a source of pride for most of Turkish people. And we love to compare and contrast. So you might see Turkish people using these basic comparison sentence pattern to really compare our cities between each other. So don't be surprised to see this dialogue in real life. Do you remember how to say Artvin? Artvin. Artvin. Do you remember how to say more than? Den, dan, ten, tan, daha. Den, dan, ten, tan, daha. Do you remember how to say crowded? Kalabalık. Kalabalık. Do you remember how to say more crowded than? Den, dan, ten, tan, daha kalabalık. Den, dan, ten, tan, daha kalabalık. Do you remember how to say Istanbul? It's Istanbul. Istanbul. What about Istanbul is more crowded than Artvin? İstanbul, Artvin'den daha kalabalık. İstanbul, Artvin'den daha kalabalık. What about small? Küçük, küçük. Do you remember how to say big? Büyük, büyük. What about ancient? Kadim, kadim. What about rainy? Yağmurlu, yağmurlu. Do you remember how to say cold? Soğuk, soğuk. In this lesson, you learn how to make basic comparison in Turkish. I'm Seda Sürel, and thank you for watching. I will see you next time at turkishclass101.com. Hoşçakalın.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.